right, guys, so this is going to be the first video in our series to get ready for Kickfit classes. And the name of this video is going to be for our stances, okay? So when you are in kickboxing, very similar to boxing, you have two traditional stances. You have orthodox and you have southpaw. Now, if you are right-handed, you are going to be in our orthodox stance, which is majority of fighters, okay? So when you're in your orthodox stance, what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that dominant hand, that right hand is in the back with that right foot, and you're gonna put that left foot in front, and you're gonna have these knees with a soft, gentle bend. You're gonna have your right hand up with your fist right by your temple, and your left hand up with your fist also lined with your temple. You're gonna have those knees bent with a nice soft bend, and this is gonna be your stance, okay? So if I turn and face you, all right, that lead hand, that left hand is just gonna be slightly in front of that right hand. That right hand is gonna be a little closer back to that head, and you're gonna have those knees in a nice gentle bend, and that is going to be your orthodox stance. Now, for those who are left-handed, you're going to be in a southpaw stance, okay? So you're gonna have that dominant hand, that left hand back in the back with that left leg. That right leg is going to be in front with a soft bend, and that right hand is gonna be up, once again, temple level. All right, so if I'm turning facing you now, my right hand is just slightly in front of my left. All right, my right leg is in front, my left leg is back, and I'm in a nice southpaw stance, okay? So those are gonna be your two stances. So the first thing you wanna figure out is what stance you're in, orthodox or southpaw. We're gonna be coming up next with punches.